Hello everyone, your number one tech go-to guy is here, J-Tech Barry himself. Wow, I can see you guys are looking fresh and gorgeous. Don't ask me how do I know, because I actually don't really know. So today I'll be discussing with you on how to create a password on your window. How to create password for your windows. So my people, sit back, relax, and how I'm going to take you through it. This is your desktop right here. From your desktop, you move your mouse to the startup menu here and click on settings. From the settings, you select accounts. So from your account, you click on sign in options. Now these are the sign in options you want: picture, password. But for you to create a picture password, you must first have a password. Now to create a password, you just click on your password here and select add. Then type in the password you want to use for your PC. You might want to use a hint and you might don't want to use it. It's up to you. If I'm using a hint, I can use a hint and click on next. So now I've created a password for my Windows. Wow, I hope you really have gotten how to insert a password to your PC from that video we watched earlier. So please, before you go, don't forget to like and also subscribe to our channel.